Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. Capricorn, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's see Capricorn, what's going on with you, what's going on with your person, and what action can we expect in this connection now. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. Alright Capricorn, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Capricorn, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright, newbies, I'm setting down these two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center, I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, mutual cards, etc. For the duration of the reading, though, I will be calling this side person A, Capricorn, and this side person B. If, well, this is your reading, you will know immediately which side you resonate best with, right? Okay. So, person A and person B. Actions. Bottom of my deck, I have the 7 of Cups. Bit of confusion. Let's see. Okay, Capricorn, I think here somebody really wanted to work things out. There's a little bit of a reconciliation or See, one person is very depressed right now, feeling things didn't go according to plan. Maybe there was a fight or something, but the other person is now wanting victory in this connection. Let's see what's happening here. Somebody really wants to work things out, but the other one is feeling, well, things have stagnated, we've had a fight, there's been an argument. So that's the confusion that I'm feeling right now. So let's start with some dialogue message cards, Capricorn. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify all these cards. So Capricorn and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Capricorn and their person. Capricorn and their person. Capricorn and their person spirit. Capricorn and their person. One more. All right. Okay, Capricorn, I'm going to take a few more from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Capricorn and their person. Capricorn and their person. Okay, good to go, Capricorn. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I have to improve myself and my life to feel worthy of you. I loved you more than I loved myself. Then I realized I didn't love myself. Well, I thought the grass was going to be greener on the other side, but it wasn't. I get defensive when I feel like you're getting too close for comfort. The way we are so in sync scares the hell out of me. I'm terrified. This lifetime didn't work out. Hopefully I can do better next lifetime. I'm happy for you. If I give in to you, you will have all the power to break my heart and mind. I can't survive that. I have commitment issues. Alright, so Capricorn, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start with the rest of the reading. Of course, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for this read. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance. Oops. So many. No. Okay, I'm going to put them back. Okay, just one spirit, please. Blessing, guidance. Thank you. Okay, so the card I have here is look deeper. So when you feel confused or you feel, things are just not changing, there's a lot changing behind the scenes. You don't know what your person is going through. They don't know what you're going through. Maybe the universe is moving things around to, make changes in your lives. So don't go into this zone of feeling lost and feeling nothing moved and what a waste of time. Nothing is a waste of time. Nothing. Things are moving even when you don't see them moving or changing. So look deeper. Let's see what we have to look deeper into. Let's start with the side of person A. Let's see what they are up to, and then we'll go on to person B. So person B is sitting here in the King of Wands energy. Why is that? King of Wands, say something to us. With the Three of Pentacles. I think this King of Wands could have been a little full of themselves. King of Wands is basically a very charismatic energy. They like a lot of attention. They could have got caught, or they feel things have really backfired now in this connection. They are trying to now see things from the other person's perspective, maybe even thinking of going back or something like that, and making things work. They do want to take action because now I think now they're feeling ever since things have stopped between the two of you, things have really stagnated in their life. There could have been a time where this person was all pompous and me, look at me, liked a lot of attention. Maybe were working with third parties. Maybe this is a card of they were keeping their options open, right? Checking out whether the grass was greener on the other side. So then what happens, Spirit, with the Three of Pentacles? Why are they feeling this way? Okay. They want to work things out, Spirit says. They want to charge towards person B. But, they do see person B, I think, as a wish fulfillment. And they do want to heal things between the two of you. At least that's how they're feeling. Maybe in the past, well, what happened, Spirit, in the past? There was an opportunity to have the Ten of Cups. But somebody made a very unwise, foolish mistake and created some drama in this situation. Maybe they portrayed themselves as a player or somebody who was inconsistent or wasn't interested in committing. So yes, they are recognizing that in the past I did have this opportunity. I could have had this happily ever after with my person. But because of my own unwise, foolish mistakes and my behavior, well, I got left behind in hermit mode. What's this hermit mode? Yes, now some communication happened. Maybe in the recent past. They may have said something or done something. There was some fast forward communication. Maybe they were not in their power, not in their strength, or they didn't basically bring strength to this connection. And they lost their Ten of Cups. They lost their future of having emotional happiness. Now this person is they're getting their spiritual enlightenment. Like I said, you don't know what they're going through, right? And behind the scenes. So this person has been put into solitary confinement, I think, at the moment, thinking about what they did, right? And the more they are thinking about, this missed opportunity, the more ashamed and embarrassed this person feels. What did I do? Why did I lose such a beautiful opportunity? Yes, this person is now enlightened, I think. This is how they're feeling at the moment about this connection. They feel things are really stuck between the two of you. Hanged Man. Why do they feel this way, Spirit? The more I think they are in, oh my God, this person wants to reconcile big time. Now they've been enlightened, I think, after their little time in solitude or just being in hermit mode. They're now seeing things from a higher perspective, or maybe their person's perspective, I don't know. They do want to show back up now as the Emperor. They do want to have a reconciliation. Look at these, so beautiful. The Emperor with the Three of Cups. I want to reconcile and I want to go and correct this way. So what's the Six of Wands then, Spirit? I hope they're not sitting in their ego and pride even now. No, this person's Spirit says, yes, they do want to have victory in this connection. But the problem here, why person B probably can't see any action, is they are manifesting it from behind the scenes. They are stalking, they are watching, they are very eager to take action. Now this was our first card, and this is our last card on person A's side, the King of Wands. They're desperately wanting to take action, but they are doing a little bit of spying, little bit of studying, little bit of manifesting as to how I can go forward, take action, and gain victory in this connection. So whether they will or how they will, we will check later, Capricorn. This is their action card as to what action they may take. Let's go on to the other side and see what's happening here. So person B, what's the Knight of Swords in reverse? Well, person B says, we had a terrible fight. Yes, we had a terrible fight. I really wanted a brand new beginning with them. I was willing to put in work towards this connection. But after this fight, I realized that, hey, it's better to stagnate or end this connection. I wanted emotional happiness. I still do want emotional happiness. And if they are not it, then well, it's all right. I'll keep myself single. I know I'm the Nine of Pentacles. I'm beautiful. I can take care of myself. I have my life in order. And even if this thing has ended, who stops me from having a passionate new beginning with maybe somebody new? If they can't do it, then well, I know I'm capable of attracting anyone that I want. So I think person A has been heavily working on themselves, their spirituality, their work, their finances, their looks, their everything. Meanwhile, accepting that this connection has stopped. Because they're still very upset and angry with them, Spirit says. They are feeling this way because they're still upset about this fight. So what happens, person B, that you've decided this way, and why you're still so angry? Judgment. What's the Judgment card? What happened? Okay, so person B says, I passed judgment on them because they were keeping me as an option. They wanted me to be one of their options. Yes, I've released this toxic energy and I walked away from them. Look at this, how clear this message is. This is the Queen of Pentacles. This person knows their worth. They know they are marriage material. They know they are loving, kind. They can take care of themselves. Not only themselves, everything else around them as well. So they feel, I did try for a chance with them, but now passed judgment because this person kept me always confused, made me feel like I was just one of their 7 cups that they were interested in. Guess what I did? I released this toxicity from my life and I've left all these empty emotional promises behind and I've moved on. Now they're doing it from a state of upset and anger. I can understand that. Queen of Pentacles, say something to us. Since you're sitting here in the upright, I'm going to give her the mic, Capricorn. Let's see what she has to say. Queen of Pentacles, say something to us. What happened to you in the recent past that you walked away? Well, the Queen of Pentacles says, I know I deserve a King of Pentacles, nothing short. Right? If I'm the Queen of Pentacles, I'm not going to deal with a knight or a page or, a trickster or a emperor in reverse. I am looking for my equal match. So then what happened? Yes, person B says, I did feel at one point that this was my happiness, this King of Pentacles, me, the Queen of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, we could be really, really, really happy together. But you know what? They lied to me. They lied to me. They didn't clear the air with me. They were not clear about their intentions with me. So what I did was I put up my barriers, I put up my guard, I started protecting myself. And from the Queen of Pentacles, believe it or not, Omkara Tarot, I feel like an empress today. I feel on top of the world and I'm not chasing around anyone. I know I can attract all the goodies in the world. And yes, that's what my journey has been like. This person actually helped me grow. As much as angry as I am with them, I do realize that, concentrating on myself just for me has actually put me into the throne of the Empress. I know my worth now. So how do you feel about person A now, Empress? How do you feel about person A? Four of Swords in reverse. Well, where person A is concerned, they feel very depressed when they think about them. They feel that this was such a waste of time, such a waste of investment. This person never put in any work. Yes, I did feel at one point that they were my, twin flame or soulmate. I still kind of reminisce about the sweet memories that we used to have. And the only problem is that because they never showed me any investment where long term would go, I had no choice but to pull myself out of this overthinking and stress. I do feel bad though. I do feel bad after all the secrets that came out about their intentions. I just feel I wasted too much time, too much energy. Oh my God, look at this. Five of Cups clarified by the Five of Cups. So there's a lot of sadness, regret at a missed opportunity when all the secrets came out. I think it kind of saddened person B more than anything else, that they wasted time on somebody who had the potential, according to them, to be their equal match and to have a happily ever after. I think person B really thought that this was going to happen. But, okay, let's see if person A will still take any action. Let's take a different deck for this one, Capricorn. And of course, this is my time to remind you to hit that like button. It really helps the videos to circulate, Capricorn. And it makes me extremely happy to know I've resonated with so many of you. And newbies, if you're planning to subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell as well, so that YouTube can notify you whenever new videos come out. So person A, what action will you take? Three of Swords, but in reverse. Well, they want to come and heal the broken heart, it seems. Will you take any action for that? Person A, will you take any action to heal this broken hearts? Two of Cups, my God, person A is in love. They know this is my person. They do want to have this communication, Capricorn. They want to clear the air. They want to have this clear communication. What else can I say? And they're coming in fast. They are coming in fast. As much as they're manifesting and watching or waiting for the right time, this person does want to have victory, Capricorn. They want to heal what's broken between the two of you. They know you're the Two of Cups. Or person B, person A knows that, you are the Two of Cups for them. They're clear in their head. And they want to clear the air with you as well, person B. Person A is coming, rushing in. Look at this. The bike is running before them. That's how fast they would actually like to come in. Maybe the little bit of fear is there. That's about it. But otherwise, yes, they are manifesting a victory with person B once again. So let's go on to person B then. Person B, any action from your end towards person A or otherwise? Ace of Swords here as well. Oh my God. Ace of Swords for person A and Ace of Swords for person B in action. Okay, so this is like there's going to be communication. Very clear, very good communication. Ace of Swords, why is that your action as well, person B? Why is that an action from your end? Oh, High Priestess. Well, I don't think a person B will be the first one to communicate, but they do want their soulmate to return back to them. Six of Cups. The sweet memories haven't left, those sweet thoughts or feeling that I want my soulmate back. That feeling hasn't gone completely from person B's end. They could be upset, they could be angry, whatever. You can put it down in the comments and tell me, no, I don't want my person back. But this is what I see for most of you. Person B, even if they're upset, even if they are angry, they are still kind of, in their feels about person A. All they want is that, hey, come back to me and let's make things right. I want justice, I want balance, I want an equal give and take. I want things to be put into order, right? Don't treat me like an option. Don't treat me like one of the many. And if you are going to talk to me, I'm ready to talk to you. Let's clear the air and balance things out between the two of us. So yes, even though there's been a little bit of confusion in this connection, I think both of you have grown. So there was no waste of time, first of all. And when you guys come together and talk it out, well, I think it's going to work out. Because the love is there. Look at the Two of Cups. I have to show it to you once more before I shut this down. This is the most beautiful card in the deck, according to me. And this is on person A's side. And they do want to come and heal whatever was broken between the two of you. So that's all I have for you, Capricorn. Till next time then. See you on Saturday now for your love bite. Namaste.